Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Free Digi Talk. So in today's video, we are going to learn about a new topic, that is search engine marketing. So let's get started. What is search engine marketing? So search engine marketing is the use of PPC ads, or what we commonly call as pay-per-click ads, for delivering a brand's digital message across the internet. While we will continue to understand what exactly are pay-per-click ads or PPC ads, let's talk about search engine marketing in detail for now. Keywords are a crucial element for any search engine marketing strategy, or rather I would say that they lay the foundation of the search engine marketing strategy. Now, when we say that these keywords are so important, what exactly are keywords? Now consider yourself as a user. As a user, while surfing the internet, let's say you want to search for a query, and your query is that you're looking for a watch to buy. Perhaps the most common kind of query that you would be putting into the search engine would be the best watch to buy in 2020. Now, this particular trail of words is what we refer to as keywords. Now, these keywords are what I was referring to, and they are the ones which play an important role in any search engine marketing. Now, once the user types in the search query, the next step would be that the search engine takes the user to another page, which is the result page. Now, on this result page, you would be able to see ads and many other website links that will follow right after the ads. Now, these ads which you can see at the top of the search engine result pages is what we know as PPC or pay-per-click ads. Now, these pay-per-click ads can be of many types. They can be simply text-based ads, or they can also be product-listed ads or shopping ads. So, the ideal position for you to be able to view these ads would be right alongside the results in the search engine result pages. That is at the topmost section of the page. To give you more clarity on how these PPC ads appear, I've shared a snippet right here which has marked the PPC ads and how they actually look like on the search engine result page. So when we say that search engine marketing is a paid form of advertising, we mean that the advertiser has to pay for every click that is initiated on these PPC ads, which can be seen on the result pages. So what happens is that once a user is taken to this particular page and he's able to view these ads at the topmost section of the page, the next step would be the user clicking the ad. Now, once the click is initiated and the ad is actually clicked on, that is exactly when the advertiser has to pay to Google or the search engine, as the search engine has acted as a medium here in progressing the user towards the landing page of the advertiser. Let's quickly summarize what we've just discussed. Search engine marketing is a form of paid media advertising, and by paid we mean that the advertiser makes use of PPC ads or pay-per-click ads, and hence the whole system becomes a paid concept of advertising, because a user has to click on the PPC ad, and for each and every click the advertiser pays to the search engine for driving the user journey to his landing page. Now we know that there can be millions of advertisers who would be interested in displaying their PPC ads on the topmost section of the search engine result pages. But how does the search engine cherry picks up few selected ads and displays them on the topmost section with so many competitors in picture? Let's understand. So all this takes place with the help of an ad auction. Now, how does this ad auction take place? Of course, it's not a real auction, but it all happens in the back end. So let's give it a quick study. We discussed in the beginning that keywords play a crucial role in the whole search engine marketing strategy. So basically, it all starts from that one keyword or a trail of keywords being typed into the search query. Once a user types in the keywords and he's looking for something in the search query, that is where the auction is triggered. Now, keywords are of a great importance as the advertisers have to buy the keywords, or basically in digital marketing terms, they have to bid on certain set of keywords which perfectly defines advertisers' products or services. Now, if the user's keywords or the trail of keywords that he was using to arrive at the search results matches with the keywords that would have been picked up by the advertiser, then in that case it's a perfect match, and It would be so that the search engine would allow the advertiser to enter the ad auction. Now in this ad auction process, two important things are considered which decides the ad rank or the ad positioning of an advertiser's ad on the search engine result pages. The first point is the maximum bid or the price that advertiser is willing to pay for showcasing his or her ad, and the second thing is the quality score of these ads. We'll see what quality scores are in detail just some time from now, but in a nutshell, quality score is the score of the overall ad of the advertiser. Now, what are the factors on which quality score depends? First is CTR or click-through rate. So click-through rate, in the last video I also explained that click-through rate is the number of clicks that are generated of the total number of views that were received by an ad. The second point is the relevancy of the keywords. That is, how relevant are the keywords or how close enough are the keywords typed in by the user to the ones that the advertiser had picked up or was ready to bid on. Third is the relevancy of the landing page. That is the search query or the keyword even relevant with the advertiser's landing page or not? And last, the historical performance of an advertiser's Google ads. So all these factors will determine the positioning of an advertiser's ad on the result pages. If the advertiser has a higher quality score, Google will reward the advertiser by charging a lower price for displaying the ads and will in turn also provide the premium slot to the advertiser or the topmost slot to the advertiser for showcasing their PPC ads. If you're on the advertiser end and you're looking at ways for improving the quality score, then I would suggest looking at the keywords that you're choosing. The keywords should properly define the product that you want to digitally promote. Secondly, the landing page should be optimized towards what the product is all about, and there should not be a disconnect. Third, the ad itself should be well defined in terms of what the product exactly is and should be relevant to the selected keywords or the keywords that the user would most likely type in so that he lands up to buy your particular product through the PPC ad. And lastly, you should refrain from using any negative keywords. For example, let's say as an advertiser you are an ice cream seller and a user wants to buy an ice cream. So the user would simply type in the search query ice creams to eat or buy ice cream. But if at your end you pick up a keyword which is totally disconnected, let's say for example recipes for ice creams, then in that case, since what the user has selected as a keyword and what you have picked up as a keyword are different and poles apart, in that case the search engine marketing strategy would be a flop show. So this was it for today's video. If you liked the video, please support the channel by subscribing it, clicking on the like button and also the bell icon for continued notifications on digital marketing. Take care. Goodbye.